Hello, how are you kids? Hope you all are well and safe. Today we are going to learn a new concept, that is big and small, for grade LKG, worksheet number 6 and activity number 1 to 5. After these activities, you will be able to identify and differentiate between big and small, compare objects or things and describe their sizes. Children, let us do our first activity, that is big and small activity. Children, look at this picture. In this, the red ball is big and the green ball is small. Dear parent, please provide any objects of different size to your child and help them to identify big and small. For example, I am showing two balls here. One is football, which is big in size. Another one is tennis ball, which is small in size. In the same way, children, identify the different objects in your home. Now let us do our second activity, that is tick the object which is bigger. Children, identify the bigger object in the given picture. For example, I am showing two vehicles here. One is bus, which is big in size. Another one is bicycle, which is small in size. Children, put the tick mark in the given box as shown here. In the same way, we have to complete this activity. Okay, done children? Kids, let us do our third activity, that is toy car activity. Dear parents, please provide your child with two cars of different sizes, that is one big and the other small, and encourage them to identify big and small. Now let us do our fourth activity, that is cut and paste activity. In task 1, children, identify the bigger shape in the given activity and take your parents' help to complete this task. Dear parent, please help your child to cut the newspaper and paste it on the bigger shape as shown here. Let's look at second task. Children, you have to match the same shapes, big with small. For example, this is small triangle, so we have to match it with the big triangle. Yes, it's here. Now draw a line to match it. In the same way, match the remaining shapes. Children, let us do our fifth activity, that is coloring activity. Dear children, you have to identify the bigger apple and color it. Then circle the small one as shown here. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you.